king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl is back with another video. I'm back with another video, a wig review. I love doing reviews. I've been loving this. I've been feeling like doing wig reviews. You know, trying different hair and giving y'all my honest reviews. Cause y'all know my channel is strictly honest reviews. Like, I don't care if a company paid me $1 million to lie, like I wouldn't lie, because like I don't know, I feel like it's not cool, and it's too many YouTubers that be lying because these companies, you know, they sent the money or they sent them a free product. Like, you have to be honest, because this honesty will help the company improve. You know, you sugarcoating and saying, oh, it's good when it's not gonna help their brand improve. So it's not gonna help their brand improve, and it also is just gonna, you know, have people waste their coins on something that you lied about. So all right, so today's wig I'm gonna be reviewing is a company called Idefine, and it's 100% virgin hair, and it's a 14-inch wavy bob frontal wig, and it did come pre-bleached and lightly bleached and pre-plucked, because when I was looking at the hairline looked like amazing. I'm gonna insert a clip when I took the hair out of the box, and it's gonna be right there. I'm gonna insert it right there, video. And I did bleach it like just a little more for like about like 5 to 10 minutes. And okay, this is what comes inside the box. So a little baggie right here. Let's see what's inside it. So it comes with an edge brush, a comb. I love these combs, y'all. I love these combs, and it's like perfect to like when you're applying the glue or the gel to hold your loose. And some wig caps. These are the wig caps it comes with. Right there. So let's get into the wig. So, and my bonnet is from Pure Minx. I already told y'all 100 times. All my bonnets, any bonnets that y'all see me wear, is most likely from Pure Minx, because it's my favorite, one of my favorite black-owned businesses. Okay, so let me show y'all. Let's get into it. So I already did the wig cap method. I did mess up a little bit right here, but it's okay. It's not gonna like affect anything. But I did do the wig cap method, y'all see. I do have a video how I do like the wig cap and the plucking and the bleaching process. I do have a video on my channel. I will put the link in the description box, so you can just click it. You don't have to like, you know, scroll, but I do have like a detailed video on how I do that, how I melt the wig caps and, you know, do the bleaching. So this is the wig. It's washed. This is how it I let it just air dry, and this is how it air dried. It's super pretty, and it's super soft. This is, and I did do some plucking. But they did like really good. So I feel like so far that's like, so far it is beginner friendly ready, because they do bleach and pluck the wig. So if you're not really good at plucking, or don't know how to pluck or do the lace, pluck the lace, they do already have it pre-plucked. But I like always like to go in and pre-pluck and bleach. And it comes with an adjustable strap, like it looks like a bra strap. You know how a bra strap, you just hook it. And it has 4 combs. So let me just do this. So we're gonna put it on, and this is the inside. Let me just show y'all the inside, just in case I didn't show y'all the inside. So this is how it looks. This is super pretty. Like, ooh, and y'all don't understand how soft it is and how full it is. And it's not like, it doesn't like shed, like it sheds. It was a little bit of shedding when I this is the plucking that I did. It was some shedding when I you know, did the plucking and stuff. Of course, you know, that's expected. 150 density. Like, I feel like the density is perfect. Let me show y'all the bag. I love it. I haven't even like cut the lace or like even styled it yet. But so I'm gonna be using, this is my favorite mousse. Like, I love this mousse. Like, I got put onto this mousse like way late in the game, but I'm glad that it's better like late than never, right? So at least I got it. So I'm just gonna put it just to, like, you know, pull all the hair back so I can cut the lace and we can get ready to melt it. So I'm just gonna, and I'm not gonna talk too much because y'all know I like to talk, so I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna just let y'all watch me work.
Purchase your tracks today.
The lace glue I am gonna use, I thought about using the Got To Be Freeze spray, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna use lace glue today. You don't have to use lace glue. If you guys want me to do a video using the spray or a gel, I could do a video. You guys can just comment below. But I'm gonna be using a lace wig bond, the lace wig glue, and this is the one I'm gonna be.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I am gonna just go blow dry it and I'll be right back. And I'm only gonna do one layer today because I'm not trying to keep this wig super long because I have some more reviews coming for y'all. So I'm just gonna do one layer.
Tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Tracks today.
So this is the finished product. Y'all, I'm in love. Like, this hair is super soft. Y'all see that shine? Like, I knew this hair was, like, I was gonna be in love with this hair, the way the hair air dried. Like, I had let it air dry. I didn't use no blow dryer. I just let it air dry, and it was, like, super beautiful and soft and luscious and had a shine. I did go in with the flat iron just to, like, you know, touch up the waves a little bit. But I'm in love, okay? I don't want to make this video super long because like this video already is super long, but I just feel sexy. Like I feel like I'm feeling myself. Like I'm in love with this, okay? I'm in love with it, and I highly recommend it. I give this here a 10. Honestly, I give this here a 10, and it takes a lot for me to give here a 10 because like I'm super picky, and I have like so many wigs, so I have so many different experiences with different wigs, different qualities, different textures, frontals, closures, headband wigs, T-part wigs. I worked with it all, and so I know like when the quality is bomb and the customer service is amazing. Okay, so that's important. Number one is customer service and the quality of the hair. So the customer service is great and the quality of the hair is great. Honestly, I feel like for beginner, a closure in this, a wavy bob from them would be like super bomb. Cause like frontals is super high maintenance. Like it's a lot of work, but they do help out a lot because it is pre-bleached and plucked. So that is like gets some of the hard part out the way. But you know, you just gotta like, you know, install it. You don't have to use glue like me. You can use the freeze spray, which is easier, or you can use mousse. You can use the got to be gel. So there's different techniques that you can do to melt down your wait a minute, melt down your frontals. But y'all see that? I feel like I could put like a braid. Like I did good with the plucking, but it did help because they did a really good job on the plucking. I'm like, wait a minute, like who taught y'all how to pluck? Because I was like, wait, this is definitely pre-plucked because the hairline, it looked good. You know, usually companies be saying it's pre-plucked and it really don't be pre-plucked. I'd be like, what is this? Like that hairline do not look plucked. But I can definitely tell that they have plucked the hairline. But what wig? What scope? Oh, this is my hair? Oh, that's what I thought. That ain't cheap. That's not my hair? What's this? I'm just in love, y'all. I'm in love. Like, all right, so that's all I gotta say about this hair. Man, it's super soft, and I feel like the bob is like perfectly cut. Like, I just feel super sexy and cute. Like, if you don't order this wig, like, what are you doing? And also, like I always tell y'all, everything will be in the description box below. The coupon code, the exact link to this wig, and all the details. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all. And also another thing, make sure y'all comment what y'all want to see from me. Like, I always read the comments, I always respond to the comments. And 9 times out of 10, or 10 times out of 10 out of 10, I always do what you guys request me to do. So if you guys request me like to do anything, or you guys want to see anything, like comment, because I'll definitely do it. So anything you want to learn, anything you want to see, your girl got you. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye.